Jamawas being defended by Evangelista. Destacamento wheels to the basketball. Destacamento with a step back. Since when does King Destacamento start knocking down step back threes?
Since we said that that's the only shot that you're willing to give up if you're Marie King.
My goodness.
Yeah. Wow.
What does Coach John Callius make these guys eat? Adobo nga pala.
Adobo,
Tama.
right. Naalala mo.
This three-point shot is brought to you by Extreme One-Stop Shop Appliances. King Destacamento has been eating a lot of adobo lately, and that's why he's knocked down that step-back three, and that's also the reason why Sarangani is ahead by 15 right now. Destacamento sets the screen. Kawamura puts the ball on the deck. Destacamento, he hit the three earlier. This is the same shot and the same result for King Destacamento.
I just have to stand up. This is the second time we're seeing King Destacamento hit it from the outside. And tama ka doon, it's the same shot that he took earlier.
Same shot, same move, in almost the same spot, I might say.
Yeah.
The same angle wherein he made it during that second quarter. Yung napawindang talaga tayo. That's gonna go against Gama Evangelista. King Destacamento, that's his second three-point shot of the game as we bring to you our lucky fans of the game, brought to you by Buenas. Minutes to play in this one. Caliano wants a screen, rejects it. Caliano leaves it. Destacamento, look out below!
That's the better read. That's the better read right there.
Caliano with another brilliant setup, this time going to King Destacamento for the two-handed flush. That's our play of the game, brought to you by Buenas. Why not, Mr. Caliano? King Destacamento says, yep, Charles, I'm going to finish this one for you.
Yeah, he got past two defenders right there.